Okay, for week 1, getting started and everything, notice that I have pulled up the online schedule. I think that's something you need to have handy all the time. And I like it's all in one place so you can kind of see what's going on. So under week 1, we're going to meet on June 3rd and June 5th, but the whole week is June 3rd to the 9th, okay? And then the getting started materials is something you need to go through first. If you, I'm going to be opening this class early, so if you want to get on that stuff before we have class, that'll be really helpful. Read through, it's a lot of material to read through. And there is a Canvas quiz and a syllabus quiz and an introductory discussion that you can do all before you start any math, okay? So that is something you can do ahead of time, and that's important for a class that's this fast-paced. And it helps you understand what's coming your way, and you can look over the material. When we do our face-to-face classes on the 3rd and the 5th, we're going to go very quickly through Unit 0. It has 6 different lessons that usually takes me about 7 to 8 days on a regular 16-week class, and I'm going to do it in 2, so it's going to be pretty quick. I'm going to talk about generalities. I'm going to try to condense some material into some summations, and it'd be really helpful if you could bring some problems that are difficult, that you find difficult when you looked at them, and we're going to do some practice on those lessons, and it's going to go pretty fast. So if you can do some on your own and look at some of these things ahead of time, that would be great. You can click into each lesson. You can print out the blank for each lesson and work through them as you watch the video, or just work through them for yourself and check them on the key, okay? There's a video of me doing them. We're just not going to be able to go through them one by one in class at all, okay? So make sure you're trying these on your own. I'm going to then... I noticed that I listed in week 2, lesson 4 through 6. That really needs to be moved up. I just notice I'm talking about that on Wednesday, and then I'm doing the review on Monday. So that may be a little deceiving that you only have to do 1 through 3. I would look at them all, because Wednesday I'm going to introduce 4 through 6. So I think that was just an easy way for me to write them down in a way that wasn't so crunched. And then we're going to review everything on Monday of week 2. And then your first test is the Wednesday of week 2 on all this material. And notice under assessments, there's not actually anything due in the first week, but you have a lot to do, okay? You can do, look at June 10th. That's our following Monday class. All of the wordy bits are due, okay? And then the math is due by Wednesday. So you definitely don't want to wait on the math. So all of those things should be working up on your first week. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assignments, or 4 assignments that aren't math. And then there are at least 6 homeworks in Unit 0. And I want to say 3 quizzes, 2 or 3 quizzes, math problem quizzes. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different assignments are due week 2. So we want to get on those as soon as possible. Okay, and we want to make sure that you're bringing questions to class. So let's get started on this stuff. There is a tutor center on the same floor as our classroom in room 250. And as soon as I know the hours and the times the tutors will be there, I will let you know, but feel free to drop by and get some help in that room, in room 250, okay? And my office hours, I'll have office hours on Monday and Wednesday before class, so it'd be great if you can stop by and say hi, okay? Looking forward to meeting you.